Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $120 PayPal money just by watching YouTube. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out this channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this method. Now guys, a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let's hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at this website, and the website is R7 URL short. Now, to get to this website, you just type in 7r6.com. Now, this website is a URL shortener, and you can earn money when you shorten your URLs at this website. And as you can see, it's free to start. Now, what I'm going to show you guys is some payment proof. And you're going to be really surprised to see how much money you can make from this. So I'm going to click right here where it says payment proof. Alright guys, so this is as of April the 13th. This person right here made $19. This person right here, $10. Now, guys, you can withdraw the money at any time. So these people, they withdraw their money when they got $19. Another person withdraw when he got $10. So on and so forth. So they're making some good money, guys. They just withdrawing real quick, so don't worry about the amount being so low. As you can see, you need to have a PayPal account. So this is legit. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is show you the rates. So you're going to click right here where it says publisher rates. So in Canada, you're going to get $3 for every 1,000 views on your desktop and also on your mobile phone. So you can use your desktop or mobile phone. In United Kingdom, $3. United States, $3. Australia, $3. And this is worldwide, guys. As you can see right here, they get $2. So for every 1,000 views, you're going to get this amount. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is show you what we're going to use to get people to click on the link. So what I'm going to do, guys, is go ahead and go to the website and show you the next step. Okay, guys, I'm on YouTube, and what I did was typed in Among Us Live. Now, if you don't know what Among Us is, it's a game, a very popular game that everybody is playing. A lot of people are playing this game, and they're playing it online, so they're doing it live. So as you can see right here, it says live now, and 431 is watching. And here's another one, 141 is watching. And here's some more. So it's a lot of videos out here of people playing live. So what you're going to do is go ahead and click on any one of these videos. So I'm going to click on this one right here. And don't worry about how many people are watching. It doesn't matter. What we're going to do, once we go to this video, we're going to go ahead and copy the link. So I'm going to go to share, copy the link. And what we're going to do, guys, is go back to the shortener URL site and shorten this link. Okay, guys, so I'm back at the URL shortener site, and I'm going to show you how to do this. First, I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, guys, I'm inside my account, and as you can see over here on your left, it says new shortener link. So I'm going to click that, and this is where you shorten the link. Paste it, click on shorten, and boom, there's the link. So you're going to go ahead and copy that. And the next step, guys, I'm going to show you a site where you can go ahead and paste this link, and you're going to get a lot of people clicking on it. And when people click on it, when you get 1,000 views, you're going to get that $3. When you get another 1,000, another $3, so on and so forth. So let me go ahead and go to that website right now. Okay, guys, I'm at the next website, and it's a gaming website, and the name of the website is Steam. So what I did was went to community, and you have to sign up to this website too. So I went to community, and I went to discussions, and then in the search bar I put Among Us. And so all the discussions going to pop up about Among Us. So all these people are talking about this game. And all you're going to do is just go in one of these threads and start talking about the game and say, hey, if you want to look at some videos live of people playing so you can learn how to be better at the game, click on this link. And that's when you go ahead and paste your link in that thread so you can get people to check out the video. And you want to get thousands of people checking it out, guys. So that's really the steps. It's real simple, guys, real simple. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making money from this method, go ahead and go to 7r6.com, sign up, go to YouTube, get a Among Us video, copy that, get a copy of the link, go shorten that link here, and then go to steam.com, paste that link in there, and start getting this money. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me get at least 20 likes on this video. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys. One other thing I want to do. I do this sometime. I'm going to try to do it more often. Is shout outs. So the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate your support. Please share this video. Keep hitting that like button and keep watching all my videos. Help this channel to grow. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. Let's keep moving. Let's keep going up, guys. Because as this channel grows, the money that I'm going to give out going to grow. So let's get this channel to 8,000 subscribers quick, fast, in a hurry. All right. Thank you. That's it. On that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Have a prosperous day.